SOLWARE is a French DMS provider for repair shops endorsed by a lot of automotive networks. After a great achievement in Africa and overseas France, we decided to continue our international expansion in Europe, and that for two main reasons. Firstly, all car manufacturers and networks are involved in international projects to apply the same methods and processes. Secondly, designing, developing and maintaining interfaces is expensive, and above that, dealing with a lot of DMS companies needs time, energy and people to steer them. To fit those requirements, we designed a new DMS based on innovative technologies to provide more value for the exact same price. I'm convinced that choosing the same DMS for different countries is the best way for car manufacturers and automotive networks to roll out easier, faster, safer and cheaper new features and projects.
Our third targets in 2019 are three big markets: Italy, Iberia and Benelux, and we are doing alongside market research to identify other areas for possible business expansions. At SOLWARE, we strive to be best in class by delivering high-quality services and products to our customers. We are deeply attached to our direct sales and delivery approach, and we therefore decided to act in the same way in these new countries. Our strategy is to establish a local presence in key markets so that customers can be better supported through local, native-speaking staff familiar with the market. On the other hand, our product manager and local teams have done a great job to deliver our brand new cutting-edge solution named winmotor Next to our clients, with all the needed legal, fiscal and market requirements. Already endorsed by some major brands and networks, we will have a strong commercial and pre-sales activity, and to increase our visibility, we will participate to the main automotive aftermarket exhibitions like Automechanika in Madrid or Automechanika in Bologna.